is it? Yeah, that's what she's barking at? What are you looking at? Oh, Cece's barking?
Yeah.
Okay, should we look and see?
Hey, what's over here?
What's out there? Do you see anything? I don't know. What was she barking at?
She's right here.
Oh, really?
Right here?
Yeah? Do you think it was a deer?
There?
Yeah? Or maybe it was an elephant? Is it elephant?
It's a deer. A deer. Eight.
Elephant? I don't know if there's elephants in North Carolina. Was it a zebra?
Zebra.
A zebra?
A zebra. Deer.
Oh, a zebra's out there too. Wow, we must have a zoo in our backyard. Is there a bear?
Bear.
Bear, yeah.
Bear.
A bear and a zebra and an elephant.
I see it.
Oh, you do?
You see. I see it.
I see it.
I see.
I think Sierra scared them all away.
But
Yeah.
I see it.
Yeah, I think she scared them all away.
Beach.
Yeah.
See, I bet. So, I see it.
Should we go night-night now?
Sure.
Okay, say night-night to the elephant.
Friend.
Say night-night, zebra. Say night-night to the zebra. Okay, say night-night to the bear. Okay, night-night.